I am Wasantha Pereira. I am from Sri Lanka. I have been here in Darwin like 2 years. I am studying here certificate level 3 in bakery in International College of Advanced Education in Darwin. Actually, I have a very big family background with baking. My grandpa is a baker, my elder brother is a baker, and my younger brother is a baker. And so I thought I needed different international knowledge with baking. That's why I came here. Actually, in ICAE we have a very good staff, very good teacher, and very good facilities. They are amazing actually, and I think I can build up my career path very well here with ICAE. I have a good confidence now about bakery, and definitely I will build up my career with good future. To my friends around the world, you need to build up your career with hospitality. This is the place. I am happy to invite you all. Come and study with us. Come and work with us. Build up your future with International College of Advanced Education. I highly recommend International College of Advanced Education.